So here's a complete tutorial from start to finish how to run a Janction node. It literally takes 2 minutes. So let this load up and I'll walk you through the A to Z. So I'm on my wallet now. Go on to the browser, go to the top, www.janction.io. Go onto that website. Come on, load. Don't do this now. Yes. Then we press get started. Press get started again. Make sure you open this in MetaMask. It will open it here. Sign in with Ethereum. There we go. Sign in. Boom. There we're in. It says wrong network in the top right hand corner. So you click that and you choose Optimism or the other one. I'm not sure. I'm going to clear that up with KJ. And we're in. So we're in on this. The only thing we need to do is now to run the node. So deploy node, you go to Android, you scroll down, press next, you open this, you download it. You can open this in Chrome, download again, blah blah blah. Yeah, it's already installed. Then you once you download it, you press install. I've already installed it. Then you go over to the app. Once it's installed, it says connection to Janction successful. But anyway, you connect MetaMask. Connecting to MetaMask. Janction node. That's the right wallet. Connected. Boom. There we go. We're in. We're running the node. Job running. Let's have a look. There we go. Up and running. So it's really that simple. It will take you 3 minutes. The main thing is installing it. Once you got that app installed, I'm logged in on the Janction node website, and I'm also logged in on the app at the same time. So if you look up here, that's that wallet, logged in, run node, and that's done. Get the APK, install the APK, enter the Janction app and click the wallet connect, then click the login button, which will redirect you to the wallet app of your choice, then approve and sign in. It's as simple as that. We have got these other platforms. So far only Android is working, from what KJ has said in the Discord, in the Telegram. We got a new guy in the Discord today. But yeah, KJ says currently only the Android seems to be able to connect. And here's a message. Also checked, it seems to be Android is currently able to connect. The steps to connecting with Docker weren't too difficult, even though for a beginner like me, though errors do appear. Once the issues are resolved, I plan to make a video tutorial. I think that will be very useful. Yeah, that's how to get the thing running, and it's just running now. As long as the app is open in the background, it should still be running. You got your device information at the bottom. I'm not going to show that, but yeah, we got the site. So if you go to this now, it should show you your nodes. Let's have a look. dashboard, Android, there's 28 nodes. I don't know if this is accurate because it shows a lot of I've seen a lot of different stats. I've seen numbers in the 50s, so I'm not sure if mine's updated. I'm going to check it on the PC to see if it's different. Peace.